Hi all. Today we are starting with SwiftUI. So let's get started. Let's create a new project. So we have to select iOS app, next, maybe a SwiftUI demo. So this is just an introductory session. So we have to select SwiftUI here. So you have to make sure that it is SwiftUI and not storyboard. Then click on next, and we are creating it on desktop, the UI demo. So when we open this project, so it would automatically preview whatever is written over here. So let's wait for it to complete the preview, right? Okay, so meantime it is working. So the starting point of the application is this, the main attribute, which we have generally in C, C++. The void main was the main entry point of the application. So here an app that uses a SwiftUI app cycle has a structure that conforms to app protocol. The structure body property return one or more scenes, which in turn provide content for display. So this is the entry point, and then we move on to content view. So here SwiftUI provides a structure and a preview. The structure conforms to view protocol and describe the view content and layout. The preview declaration creates a preview for that view. So here this, so if we add or remove something, it would update at runtime. So text, so SwiftUI. So basically this is a declarative approach in which you will keep on adding elements, and it would take care automatically instead of UIKit, wherein we have to specify each and every element. So SwiftUI use a declarative syntax, which means you describe what you want to achieve and the framework take care of the underlying detail. This is in contrast to the imperative approach used by UIKit, where you need to specify step-by-step instruction. So here is a vertical stack, which we will cover in coming tutorials. So here whatever you keep on adding, it would automatically align it in this view. Thanks. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel for more videos on iOS development and skill learning.